Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. And I forget to ask y'all, would you please subscribe if you are watching me? Go ahead and subscribe, doesn't cost you anything. And like they say, thumbs up. I forget to ask that, y'all, I really do, but I know that y'all, I have a lot of loyal people that watch me, so I hope that you are subscribed. I think that you are subscribed, but just saying, okay. I have my Macy's for April. Now I notice that several people get this before me, so you know, it's just the luck of the draw as far as I live in a rural area, so things come later in the mail. So thank you for watching this, even though you've probably already seen it already. So this box is a little odd the way that it opens. You have to break this seam at the top. So, and I already did that because I just have trouble with boxes. So then when you do this, the whole box sort of collapses all around it like that. And usually though, inside there is a beautiful package. And you know, these have to be hand wrapped, I would think. And there's some things outside of the wrapping. I try not to look at the spoilers. But you know, sometimes you catch a couple, so you know, it always comes with a nice little booklet, which I really appreciate. It tells some things in there. It doesn't necessarily tell everything we need to know, but it tells full size pricing. And this particular, they usually give you $5 off to spend on Macy's website on beauty purchases, and this time they gave us a $10 coupon, so that's very nice. I usually don't use it. I usually pass it on to a friend. So let's see. This is wrapped up nicely, like I said. I'm going to put that box down on the floor for the moment. There is a perfume sample, which I like that. I like that we get a perfume sample. Before I started getting Macy's, people used to get a male and a female perfume sample, and I don't think they don't really do that anymore. Sometimes we might get that, but these days we get one. So this is La Perla Luminous Eau de Parfum. So that is that. And let me see. It's a beautiful bottle, the full size. Let me see. I don't know anything about this perfume. It says, want a scent that lights up the room? La Perla's got you covered. Spray this blend of bright florals and comforting woods that embody the spirit of Italian elegance and individuality. Every day is an adventure with a scent like this. It's $110 for the full size. All right. I love these perfume samples. I really like them. They're way better than they used to be in the old days. This is a little spray tube, and I love that. I'm not really a big floral person. I think what I'll do is maybe try to spritz it on the card. Okay. Oh, you know, it is nice. It's light. I mean, I suppose you could build it up, you know, but it's not offensive. It is, I can smell that woodsy thing going on there mixed with the floral. It's nice. I don't know if I'll wear it because I don't really wear a lot of perfume most of the time, but I do like it. It's a little sweet too. Yeah, that's pretty. I like that woodsy smell in there. That's nice. Okay, so I guess I don't really, La Perla is the brand. Do y'all, I mean, I'm not up on perfumes, y'all. I used to be, but I'm not anymore. And then this is outside of the box. And that is, I did see that the spoiler for that. But is there no information? I don't see any information about it. I should say, I forgot to tell y'all, this box is $15. And that includes the shipping. So it's the price that you pay for a Ipsy glam bag. And, you know, is it comparable? You know, you be the judge. This says that it's $59.20 value this month and $15. And I do pay, I think it's $1.20 tax. You don't pay any shipping. This though is very nice. This is like a wet brush. It's just in this bag that you can take it out. It's pretty. First of all, it's pretty. It looks like a leaf, and it has a nice grip on it, which is nice. So this, if you use this in the shower, you'd be able to keep a good hold on it, I think. But I don't see where it says about the brush. It says about all the other products. This says Consciously Clean Beauty for April. Earth Month has arrived, and with it comes our favorite skincare and fragrance brands that are consistently conscious of the ingredients going into your skin and our planet. Very nice theme and concept. And I see there was going to be some more perfumes maybe, or I just got one. Yeah, they don't show anything about the brush. And there is this round circle here, but or oval. I don't see a brand name for the brush. So it's like a bonus. It's like last month we got the sticky notes, but it's very nice. It's, you know, it has these little rubber things. So you can use this when your hair's wet. That's what I would use it for. Or if you're in the shower, yeah, I don't have long hair, but if you're in the shower and you're putting on a conditioner, you know, and you want to like pile it all up on top of your head, this would help. I like that. I think it's a nice brush. I wish I could tell you a brand. But I am looking and I do not see it. So let's move on, because if anybody knows the brand, say it below in case somebody's interested, if you don't mind. Okay, and then this nice package. I always use this tissue. I end up using it sometimes for my backgrounds, for pictures, because I'll take pictures of these items and put them on Instagram if you want to see them more up close. I do have more perfume in here. And then I'll use it also for giveaways, you know, for packing up a giveaway. So let's see, we've got another perfume. This is Rebecca Minkoff Blush is the name of this one. And let's see what it says about that. This is Blush Eau de Parfum, like running through a field of flowers on a sunny day. Blush is joyful and feminine fragrance that opens with sparkling top notes of citrus and blackcurrant, and I like that idea. And this is $95 for a full size. So let's look at this one. Here's the inside. Here, this one is a little more full. I'm gonna spray it on the cardboard like I did before. Okay. It smells summery. Not my thing. But it's not offensive. That's what the best way I can describe it is, because it's florally. I'm not really a florally. I love flowers. I love the smell of flowers, but not in my perfumes. Anyway, but that's very nice. I usually pass these on to friends that like this kind of stuff. And then we have several other items. So let's see what we've got. This is here, let me show it to you and I'll look for it and read about it. Naturally Serious Skin Warrior Moisture Rescue Cream. Full size is $32. Apply to clean skin for full benefits. We can confidently say this brand has mastered the skincare circle of life. Hyaluronic acid, colloidal oatmeal, and shea butter help improve and prevent the look of environmental aging with the power of nature herself. Okay, so these kinds of little samples I usually use. I like to try new things. It's sealed. So I usually use them, you know, in my skincare. I incorporate them into my regular skincare. Or if I get too many, then I throw some in giveaways, you know. So this is full to about here. So not very much in there to try, but I'm always willing to try it. So I will try it. And then we have a couple of other items here, a couple other small ones. This is the brand Butta, like, you know, like butter, but Butta. Okay, this is for your skin. This is tea tree and aloe mask scrub. Okay, I was thinking it was going to be a lotion for you know, your body, but it's after a long week or day, a detoxifying face mask is the pick-me-up you need. This multitasking 3-in-1 scrub exfoliates, treats, and cleanses your skin with one formula. Okay, this a full size is $19. Calming aloe comes in at the end to hydrate, soothe, and nourish the skin. Okay, I will not use this product because tea tree is very stripping and my skin doesn't need to be stripped. But very nice. It says that it is a clay mask, a triple action clay mask. A foam cleanse and deep exfoliator. So that's a nice little, you know, it's a deluxe sample. I'll put that in. Let's do it right now. This will be a bonus for my treasure trove, okay? For my treasure trove giveaway. If you don't know about that, ask me. If you're new to the channel, I do a treasure trove giveaway pretty much monthly. And if you know the bonuses, you win them as well. If you are the winner, you win them as well. Okay, one of my very favorite lines, Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. Now, this is a tube. I'm thinking that I usually have always had a tub, a little tub. Maybe not. But I do love the marine. I love LMS, anything LMS. This is just a nice Pro Collagen Marine Cream. It's for pro-aging, indulgent. This wrinkle-reducing miracle cream, clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles in as little as 14 days. Your skin will be left feeling firm, hydrated, and exceptionally smooth. Full size of this, it's a nice jar, $132. So this is just, you know, enough to try it and see if you like it. It's filled to about here. This is great to take on a weekend or a little travel, so that you don't have to carry your big products. I love this kind of thing, and LMS, you can't go wrong no matter what you use with LMS. I love it. Okay, next up is this cute little box. Let's see what this is. This is called Eve Lame. Now, I'm not familiar with Eve Lame. This is a foaming cream cleanser. I love a good cleanser. Think of cleansing like the two bookends of your day, especially when your cleanser is filled with skin-quenching enzymes. The full size of this is $33. The formula uses water to activate an innovative cream to foam lather that wipes away makeup and impurities without drying skin or clogging pores. Just what I like, $33 for the full size. Let's see what this one looks like. I like how they packaged it in the box, very nice. So here it is again, a very nice travel size. It's even a nice big, it's big. And since it says you can use it morning and night, it's that gentle. And it looks like it might be Korean skincare. Once you open this tube, it's good for 12 months. Foaming cream cleanser, very nice. It's probably sealed. I didn't look at oh, it's not sealed. It doesn't really, it has a very light scent. Almost essential oily, but I don't know if you can see, it's just a white cream. I'm not going to use it right now, but I will definitely use that. That's something that I'm going to put right in my travel bag. You know, y'all, I don't travel very much. The LMS, I'm sure, oh, I say that I'm sure it's sealed, but it is. That one's sealed, okay. So this is very, very nice, very nice. Okay, and then the last item we have is Facetory. This is an apple cider detox scrub exfoliant, which is for your scalp. I knew when I saw the apple cider, it would be for your scalp. This is pretty full. This is like slanted this way in the box. This is how full it is through here. So that's a good size. This is great again for travel. Also though, this kind of thing you don't use every day. So this is a good size. The full size is a tub, and the tub is $36. Lather and scrub before shampooing. Apple cider detox scalp scrub. Show your scalp some love. I'm not real big on scalp scrubs because some of them feel like I am putting sand in my hair. But I know a lot of people like them. And a small one like this I may try because I do like to try them, but then I get disappointed if they're too sandy. You know, or gritty. I shouldn't say sandy because it's not sand. It's sealed. But it's good, you know, in summer, if it's, you know, working out in the yard and you're really hot and everything, it's nice to get everything cleaned really good. So that might be a nice thing to try. This creamy, gentle treatment stimulates, exfoliates, and nourishes the scalp, ridding it of impurities and paving the way for healthier hair. It's great for all hair types, it says, colors and textures. Lather and scrub before shampooing. So you do this first, then you shampoo, and then you do conditioner if that's what you do. So this is a really nice box, y'all, for $15. First of all, I got a $10 gift card in here. You have to, I mean, yeah, it's basically, that's what it is. You have to spend $40 to use it. So I have this really nice brush, wet dry brush. Nice, I like it. And we have this Eve Lame. These are some things I haven't heard of before, y'all. So foam cleanser. We have the Naturally Serious Skin Warrior Moisture Rescue Cream, the Facetory Apple Cider Scrub, the Butta Tree Tea and Aloe Mask. Very nice to have that. Just not my cup of tea, and then the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and the 2 perfume samples. And I'm smelling, this is, I said, this is nice. It's not overpowering. It is very floral. It's very summery. It's very pretty. If I had to pick between the two, I would pick the La Perla is what I prefer, because there's some spice going on. I like spice in my perfume, and I do like this one. But it's a light spice. It's not like a wintry spice, so these are very nice. I'll take pictures, like I said, and I'll show them on Instagram. Thanks, y'all, for stopping by to see what I got in my April Macy's box. And I used to get Macy's, and then they went really bad, and then I gave it up. And then now I'm back with them. This is my second month, I think. I've been getting it again. So hopefully they'll continue to stay really good, because I really think this is worth $15, y'all. And there's no link or code for you to, sign up under me if you want it. I'll have their link below, but it's just the link for them, and you just go sign up if you want to try. And now there used to be a waiting list, but there really isn't. There hasn't been lately. So maybe you'll get in right away if you're interested. Thanks for stopping by, y'all. Count your blessings.